Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to make turmeric powder through these very easy steps. Now please follow on, don't miss any part because every part is really important. Now here I have my turmeric roots, as you can see. Now check them to see if you have any that are dry, too dry, or that are spoiled, and you sort them out. We want only fresh turmeric for this powder. Yes, in a bowl, add your turmeric there, add in some water and wash it properly. Please make sure you wash it properly, make sure it's very clean. Yes, now after washing it, you're going to put it aside in a kitchen. You get a very clean kitchen towel, or you can use a paper towel. Yes, dry it properly. Make sure it's completely, your turmeric roots are completely dry. Yes. So as we do this, please tell me what your favorite spices are. Do you know how to make them? Because I'm going to bring for you all homemade spices, how you can easily make your own homemade spices. Yes, so please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and join the family. So I've finished drying my turmeric here. Now I'm going to peel off the skin of the turmeric roots. As you can see, it's very easy. You can use a knife here, or you can just do what I'm doing. This is very easy. Now you do this for all the turmeric. Yes, it should look like this. Very nice. It looks really good. And please use gloves. I forgot to use gloves, and my hands were full of turmeric. That color sticks for some time. So please use gloves as you're making your turmeric powder. Yes, so after peeling off the skin, yes, we are going to clean it a bit more. Now place it on your tray, your pan. You can use your baking pan here, as you can see here. Now I'm going to cut this into small sizes. Please make sure that you cut smaller sizes, because the smaller it is, the quicker we need it to dry out. As you can see. Now you're going to repeat this with all your turmeric. I've finished mine here. This is how it looks like. Very nice. They are even. Now you are going to dry this in sun, or you can. Now you dry this in the sun for like a whole day if the weather is really sunny. If it's not, you can please dry it until it's completely dry. It might take like 2 days if the weather is cloudy. Now this is how my turmeric looks like. As you can see, I'm going to add this in the grinder. You can use a blender. You can also use a blender. Yes, so I'm going to add this in a grinder, and I grind it. Until it is smooth. Yes guys, so this is my turmeric powder. It looks nice. I'm excited. Yes, now get it all out there. Don't let any try to stay there. Now you sieve your turmeric powder. Here I've finished sieving it. This is how it looks like. You can keep it in an airtight container, and it will go up to 6 months. Thank you for watching, guys. Please check out more of my recipes in my channel. Thank you.